what's up YouTube family? It's your boy King Abe. Welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys a super day trading strategy that you guys can start using to grow your account. So if this is your first time on my channel, make sure you like this video, smash that subscribe button, and turn on the bell notification so you guys don't miss any of my future videos. Now without further ado, let's take a look at the charts.
Alright guys, so guys, for this strategy we're going to be looking at Euro USD, and we're going to be looking at it on the 1 hour time frame. But before we actually get started, so on my signals on Telegram, this was another great week for us. We made 1,865 pips, and as you guys can see right there on the screen, we just kept on smashing the market. We were just killing the markets. So if you guys want access, the link to the free and the VIP signals is going to be down below in the description. So we'll be looking at Euro USD via the 1 hour time frame, and this strategy that I'm about to show you guys today, we're going to be using two indicators and we're going to be using two confirmations. So the first indicator we're going to be using the 50 moving average exponential, and we go to settings. You can change the color to whatever color you want. I'll use this. I'll change the thickness to the second one, and for the input we're going to change that to 50, and then we click OK. Now we're going to add one more indicator, another moving average exponential. This one we're going to change it to 10, and for the style, just use whatever color you want. I'll just use this, and change the thickness to the second one, and then you click on OK. Now to use this strategy, now the first thing you're going to have to look for is this cross right over here. Once the 10 cross the 50, that's your first confirmation right there. And if we take a look, this is going to be our entry right over here. Why? Because right over here we had a support zone right over here. That's our support zone right over there. And once you have your resistance zone drawn out already, you see this cross right over here, then you get in that trade for a buy, because now you have your two confirmations. Now you might be asking yourself, okay, where do I set my take profit? As you guys can see, we have it right over here. We have a resistance zone right over here, and we have another resistance zone right over here. So if we replay this right now, let's look at the replay and let's see what happened. Start from here and let's see. Let's take a look at how that trade played out. Bam, you see the cross right over there? That's your entry right over there. We have our TP1 smashed. We have our TP1 smashed over here, and we have our TP2 smashed over here. Now, let's see if we could have won more trades over here. What you have to do is to look for, you just simply look for more zones. This is why your support and resistance zones is very important. You can see we have a zone over here. We have a zone over here, and if you don't have to look for your support and resistance zones, you click on the line chart and it will help you identify those support and resistance zones. You can see we have over here, and we definitely absolutely have over here, and we have right over here. And then you go back to your candlestick and let's see what happens, how this trade played out. Now let's stop right there. So as you guys can see right over here, we had a pullback to the previous resistance zone, thereby creating a support zone right over here for us right over here. Now the market starts consolidating. So let's see how this trade played out. Bam, right over there. Now if you missed this entry right over here and you saw this right over here, what you can do is you grab your horizontal line tool. We have another resistance zone right over there. Now you get in this trade and you place this trade for a buy, and you'll see the price eventually go to this next support zone over here, which is also our next take profit right over here. Let's see how the trade played out. Bam, take profit smashed. Just like that. It's really that simple. This is why drawing your support and resistance zone is very important, because when it comes to Forex, what we actually doing is we're trading from zones to zones. That's what we're doing. It's really that simple. And if you miss this trade right over here, like I said earlier, what you can do is, for more confirmations, now you don't have to do this, but for more confirmations, we can see that right over here, we had a pullback to the trend line. So once you have this trend line right over here, this will definitely let you know that, okay, now this is definitely an uptrend continuation, as you guys can see. Let's keep looking at how this trade played out. Now, as you guys can see, we have our take profit smashed over here already. Now we have another take profit right over here. Let's keep looking. Broke the resistance again. So it's really that simple, guys. So when you use this strategy just like this is a very powerful strategy. So you have your TP1 here, TP2, TP3, and you have more TPs right over here. Now if you had missed this right over here, you had another entry right over here, and you have your TP1 over here, your TP2 right over here. It's really that simple, guys. That's how you use it for a buy. Now if we take a look at the sell trade, let's take a look at this one right over here. We have our zones drawn out already. We wait for this cross. We see this cross right over here. Now we have to make sure that price closes below the support zone right over here, and then we have our TP1 here, TP2 here, TP3 here, and we have a TP4 right over here. And then once you get in the trade, you can set your stop loss somewhere right over here above the 50 EMA or above the previous resistance somewhere over here. That's going to depend on your strategy. Let's take a look at how this trade actually played out. Let's take a look. Let's start from right over here. Bam, we have our cross right over here. That's our cross right over there. Now you just simply waiting for price to break this support zone right over here. That's what you're waiting for. Let's keep looking. Bam. You have the break right over there. You have the break right over there, and then you get in the trade. So guys, this strategy is very, very simple. It's not hard at all, and it's a very, very great strategy, especially if you're a day trader. You can even use this strategy if you're a scalper. So guys, if this is your first time on my channel, make sure you like this video, smash the subscribe button, and turn on the bell notification so you guys don't miss any of my future videos. And remember guys, my free signals and my VIP signals, you guys can take a look at the link down below in the description and you'll get access.